Welcome to the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. The AT4X is powered by a 6.2 liter V8 engine and made it up to a 10-speed automatic transmission. Taking a quick look at the interior of the GMC Sierra AT4X, we do have power windows, locks, and mirrors, AT4X on the door as well. The memory seating, vehicle has the automatic driving modes, push button 4x4 and trailer mode, automatic headlights, fog light button, heads-up display controls, a leather-wrapped heated steering wheel with paddle shifters on the reverse side, as well as your forward collision warning and audio controls. Vehicle has the large push-button ignition as well on the dash. You have the 13.2-inch touchscreen using the Google operating system, Google Maps, as well as news, podcasts, everything Google available. Apple CarPlay and Android Auto both still available there. Coming down to our center dash here, heated and ventilated seating, dual zone climate. You have parking sensors, lane keep assist, all the bells and whistles. You do have the locking front and rear independent differentials electronically as well. Signature for the AT4X. You have your automatic shifter knob in the middle now. Integrated trailer braking system and wireless charging pad. The all black interior with Bose audio, as well as our beautiful AT4X leather heated and ventilated seating. Taking a quick look at the exterior of the GMC Sierra AT4X, we have the 18-inch wheel and tire package, blacked out alloy wheels with the Goodyear Wrangler Duratrack all-terrain tires. Behind the tires here, you can see the Multimatic DSSV suspensioning for the AT4X coming down the side. Color matched door handles and keyless entry, AT4X badging on the front door, 6.2 liter plaque on the front fender. The factory lift kit installed on the vehicle as well, making room for the big wheel and tire packages. We have LED daytime running lamps, turn signals, and fog lights. Red recovery hook signature for the AT4, AT4X branded grille. Front parking sensors and camera system available. Coming down the side, we do have blacked out window trim, rear tinted privacy windows on the crew cab at the back of the vehicle. Color matched rear bumper with trailer tow package, as well as your power tailgate. You do have the GM Multi-Pro Tailgate there, and your rear parking sensors. Jumping into the interior for the AT4X, the AT4X limited interior, red stitching, in-seat storage. Both the end seats here are car seat ready and heated. We do have a sliding rear window with defrost, a suede wrapped roof with extra headroom and LED lighting, as well as a single pane sunroof. Vehicle has 3-stage heated seats, USB ports, rubberized floor liners with the carpeted inserts installed as well. Thank you for taking the time to watch this brief walk-around video on the brand new 2022 GMC Sierra 1500 AT4X. Any questions or inquiries, please contact our sales team.